What's up, guys? Noah here. If you guys were wondering why I was whispering so much in this video, pretty much this place is excuse me. It's late at night here. If you were wondering why I was whispering so much, this place was very, very quiet to the point where I could hear an entire family's conversation inside their house, no windows open from across the lake. So if I could hear them, the entire lake could definitely hear me. So I just decided whispering is the best option. And, I start talking as the day goes on. But if you guys were wondering, just want to let you guys know that, so that you didn't think I was trying to do some ASMR type video or anything like that. I was just trying to be courteous and polite, because I'm a very loud person, as you guys have probably seen in some of my videos. But yeah, enjoy the video, and I'll see you out there. Peace. Oh, part 3 is in the works. Been a slight bump in the road, though, due to the fact that the place I was originally going to was really creepy. So I have another place in mind, and I actually think it's going to fish a lot better. But yeah, enjoy the video, and I'll see you out there. Peace. Alright, guys, we're here at a pond. I don't even know if I'm allowed in here. I was looking at a website called Massachusetts Paddler, and it said there was a public launch, and because of the launch I had to go to move a stick, and I had to go down here. There's a bunch of stumps are blocking it, so I assume the locals must not like a lot of people coming here. But I made it down here. It was a haul. Kind of sucked, but hopefully it's all worth it. Let's go count some fish. Alright, let's get the kayak in. I'm trying to be quiet. I don't want to attract any attention. I already see a little pickerel, so it makes me assume that there's fish in here. Set up the rods and go. Got the net. Got my phone. Okay, car's locked. Sip of water. Hopefully there's some fish here. Be just oh man, I forgot the ultralight. Oh man. Alright, this might be a lot harder than I thought it was. I saw some pickerel. I saw pickerel, so I'm gonna hope that there's fish here. Alright guys, check this out. It says they're 2-aught EWG, and we're gonna throw this. This might even be too big. I think it should work. It's an Ozark tail creature claw. We're gonna pair it with this. That's actually too small. What it has. Please tell me I got the other size. size 1 EWG. I mean, like, look at this. It's just tiny. I don't know how we're doing it, though. I think the forage in here is really, really small. So if it's really small, I'll trust tiny baits. Alright, well, let's give it a shot. If there's gonna be a fish, he's gonna be one on this tall grass. I just get a feeling because it's in the shade. Okay. There's gotta be a fish under this tree. Oh! I got a bite. No! Guys, I had one. I had a fish. Oh my god, I had a fish. It felt like a bass. I could be wrong, but that felt a lot like a bass. Please eat it again. Come on. That felt like a largemouth. Just by the way it was tugging. Oh no. Oh my god, it is a fish. What is that? What is that? It's a largemouth. There is largemouth in here. I knew it. I freaking knew it. I knew there had to be bass in here. It's big. It's big. It's big. I knew it. I freaking knew it. Oh, dude. Dude, I knew it. I knew it. I saw it. So, I'm gonna explain to you guys what's going on right now. Because I knew there was fish in here. I knew there had to be. So, I looked over there and I saw this overhanging tree. And there had to be one. It's shady. There's trees. Look at that. It's like 1.5 pounds. Barely hooked. So there you go. Okay. Alright, step 1. Find fish. Oh my god, it bent the hook out. No. Dude, this fish bent the freaking hook out. Are you kidding me? Look at this. That small fish bent the freaking hook out. Just gonna have to keep bending it back, I guess. I'm in disbelief right now, guys. I mean, not really disbelief, but I'm excited. That's what it is, because if there's a fish that big in here, there's going to be one that's bigger. And if there's another one that size in there, there's going to be one bigger. For all I know, there could be a whole 5-6 pounder in here. If it's going to fall victim to anyone's going to fall victim to me. I'm very excited to say that I'm throwing the frog. First cast on the frog. Oh my god. There's no way. There's no freaking way. Are you kidding me? You gotta be kidding me, dude. Alright, can you stop? Relax, buddy. That is wild. There's no way. There's no way that just happened. I don't know how deep this water is either. I don't know, but if I'm gonna guess, I'd say the deepest spot is maybe 10 feet. Oh my god, look at that. Oh, big one. I got him. That was so cool. Came back for it. That's a good fish. That's a really good fish. Really good fish. Holy crap, dude. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my lord. This is not happening right now. This is not happening right now. Are you freaking kidding me, dude? Are you freaking kidding me? You've got to be kidding me. You've got to be kidding me. What the heck? It's like a 2.5. Dude, you're actually joking right now. Dude, you're trolling. Are you freaking kidding me? That might be 3-pounder. Good lord. Dude, that's like a 17, 18-inch fish. Definitely been caught before, if you can see it right there. Alright, thanks for biting. Dude, you're kidding me right now. You're kidding me right now. Hold on. You're actually kidding me right now. What did I say? What did I say? I said if there's a fish, the first one we caught, if there's a fish of that size, there's going to be one bigger. And if there's a fish of another size of the one that's bigger, there's going to be a bigger one. Like I said, there could be 5-6 pounders in here. I'm going to keep frogging. Screw throwing the Texas. Are you kidding me, dude? Dude, this place is a gem. Alright, let's get back to fishing. There's a pickerel following that. Saw his head. There we go. What is that? Not the target species. Vermin fish. Slime dart slime. Oh, wow. What the heck? That had to be like a perch. Uh-oh. What the heck was that? That was like a glitch. Did you guys hear that on the reel? There was like a glitch in the digital casting chip. That was crazy. Can you get off me, fly? That was wild. Nothing like that's ever happened to me before. And I'm not liking how this is looking, this tangle. No. There we go. That's a bass. Man, he's a jumper. Oh, that's a good one, dude. What the heck? Got him. Nice. Came back for it. Alright, now we know they'll eat the chatterbait. Oh, jeez. What the hell? Calm down, buddy. That chatterbait good. There. Leg has fish slime on it. Alright. Nice largemouth here. Probably our smallest. Nice. Nevertheless, I'll get a picture of him, why not? Let him go. All right. Whew. That was a bit of a struggle getting the kayak up here. Kind of hurt my back, but it's whatever. Anything for the fish. That is gonna wrap up episode 2 of Fishing New Waters Late Summer Edition. We did pretty well here. I'm gonna be honest, we did a lot right, but if I'm gonna be 100% honest, we did a lot more wrong. As you'll see in the video, we missed a lot of fish. A lot of them being big ones. For some reason, I couldn't dial in the frog today. I'm hoping that this doesn't go over to tournament day tomorrow, but who knows? Might record, might not. It's kind of hard to, because I'm locked in. I'm trying to win, but yeah, that's gonna do it. Plastic. We start off with a plastic as usual. Found a nice fish. Figured out that there's really good fish in here. There's giants in here. It was definitely worth coming here. Part 3 is coming. We got a part 3 coming. We got another pond we're gonna go to. Hopefully that one is better than the last 2. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. This one was a lot of fun to make. Definitely will be coming back here. This place is awesome because there's no motorboats and not a lot of people know about it. Yeah, looking forward to making part 3. Hopefully we get a tournament win tomorrow. Not sure when part 3 will be coming, but it'll be coming within the next week or 2. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this one, and like, comment, subscribe, and hopefully next time we have a good ass day. Take it easy, take care of each other, and of course take care of yourself, and I will see you in the next one.